All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And today we're taking out the Shelby. It's been too long, man. It's been like almost 2 weeks again. Not exactly 2 weeks. Oh my goodness, this car is a tight fit. Forgot how secure these Recaros are. Man, I gotta go ahead and kind of readjust everything in the car. Jeez, I gotta move the seat back, but we're gonna get a cold start. This is a true, well, I'd say like 9-10 day cold start, so hopefully it turns on. I'll probably drive the car for like maybe 40 minutes today. I gotta go get groceries. This is also the reason why I'm taking this car. Usually I take the 99, but like I said, I definitely don't want the car to sit for like 2 weeks. All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Whew! Hope you guys, ooh, what is this? Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start your day, whatever time it may be. Got a little POV in the Shelby, man. This car always feels so different driving compared to the 99. Like the seating position, I'm telling you, with this the shifting, this literally is like a comfort ride. It like it feels like I'm driving in like a Maybach compared to the 99. Jesus Christ, it's actually insane. Like the difference. I love that raw feel to 99, but like this car, it's like I got the seat back, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm reclined all the way back. I can go through all the gears. Like it's kind of nuts. I say this every time I get in this car, man. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing it. I say it every time, but it is the truth. Like the difference between the 99 to 04 and the S550, it is unbelievable. It's like you wouldn't even think it's the same car type unbelievable. Well, obviously not the same car. You wouldn't even think it's the same manufacturer. How insane the difference is between the two. Like I'm in comfort mode. Like I said, with these 350s, I think it's literally a massive downgrade to go from, you know, the active exhaust to something that, you know, isn't the active exhaust. It is a massive downgrade. I know the Corsas sound amazing. I don't know if you can get like Corsa active exhaust. If you could, that would be a good option. I know Borla does. I have like the Ford X Borla exhaust on here right now. So I do have the active exhaust. You know, there's no drone. It's quiet as hell when I'm just kind of just regularly driving it. But let me go ahead and put this thing in the fun mode, because that's the best mode. Oh, kind of threw it in the wrong gear right there. See, dude, I always do that in this car, dude. I'm so used to the 99 not having, you know, a 6th gear. I always kind of get confused. Not really confused, but I always forget muscle memory. I always forget that this car has an extra gear. Technically 2 overdrive gears, 5th and 6th. Jesus, man, just straight cruising this thing. Woo! Whoa! What are you doing, good sir? My to go get gas, because I have like 40 to the tank right now, and I definitely don't want to leave the car with just 40 in the tank for too long. I definitely don't want to go too long on E85 sitting, because E85, you know, you don't have a full tank, you know, sitting for longer than, I'd say, like a month, you know, things can go wrong. So definitely need to go ahead and keep this car, you know, gassed up, because drive it today and the weather's gonna get bad again, supposedly. It's supposed to rain, be cold. Obviously, I'm not taking this car out on the Mickeys, forget it. Is it packed? It's not terrible. Ooh, something is on the ground up here. That hole clean. That shit is clean as hell. Am I good? Yep, we're good. Bet. Oh man, I gotta pump some E85 in here. Alright, so I totally did not just put this car on the wrong side of the pump. Bro, that goes to show you how much I drive this car right now. Oh man, the weather needs to get a little bit better out here in Texas. Technically, it is good weather, but y'all know what I mean. I'm on the Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's 19s. It is boost weather, but this car ain't boosted yet. And well, the 99, I'm trying to take advantage of this cooler weather. And also, I really don't trust these Mickeys at all. Ooh, that car is so clean, bro. Jesus, man, look at all the nice cars out. I really don't trust the Mickeys at all in this weather with the 19s. They're sketch, you know, going fast when it was warmer outside, and now that it's cooler, I really just don't trust them. So that's kind of why I don't really take this car out right now. Ooh, we got a little backfire. Car's a little bit more warmed up, so I can actually drive it now. But I think there's a cop up there. But that's kind of why I haven't really been taking it out, man. I gotta get rid of these Mickeys. I really don't like them for the 19-inch wheels. I'll never recommend Mickeys on 19s to anybody. It's just incredibly sketch. The car, like literally is like this at higher RPMs when you're going fast. So I don't really recommend them. I need to go ahead and ditch these Mickeys and try out the R2s. I know those are probably going to be a lot better for 19s until I do go ahead and go to 18s and then maybe go back to Mickeys or keep the R2s. This really is just like a chill POV drive in the 350. I mean, I'm not really going to be beat. Nah, I don't know. I'm not going to say that now, but I'm really not going to be probably going too crazy just because I don't trust these tires at this weather. Whew. Cruising in the Shelby. Now, if I don't know if you guys this is like a true chill POV drive. I don't know if you guys were keeping up with current events, but ESS, they actually released a new supercharger head unit, the G3R. And I was already planning on getting an ESS kit for this car. I've talked about this multiple times. It's just the right time to go ahead and get it, just so, you know, the car is ready and running how I want it to run, when I need it to be running how I need it to run. I was gonna go with the G3 with the X trim impeller, just to go ahead and have some headroom if I did go ahead and, you know, decide to do the 95mm pulley, which I'm not gonna do most likely on the stock motor. I do plan on actually putting a short block in this car, obviously rods, pistons, and really turning it up. But I think with the G3R, that will definitely take me to where I can see, you know, the end goal. I mean, there's never really an end goal. You're never really done modifying a car, but I think the horsepower level, is that a cop truck right there? I think the horsepower level I can see myself like quote unquote stopping or being comfortable at, you know, on the street would be like around like 1200 wheel in this. I think that's probably where I'd be comfortable at, and I think the G3R can definitely support that, or at least get damn near close to it without having to go twin turbo. Yeah, I literally hear that rattle in the shifter. I gotta get that. I gotta go ahead and tighten that back up. But I think the G3R will definitely get me where I need to go. The G3X would too. Realistically, probably, you know, kissing 1,000 horsepower. Dude, is this like a cop truck? No, definitely not. They got the windows down. They definitely don't roll like that with the windows down. But I definitely feel like the G3R would definitely be a good option for this car. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. I know a lot of S550 guys, you know, the 10R80 guys running the G3X. Some of them are running the G3R. It's a relatively new head unit. And they're seeing great success. I'm talking about like bottom fours 60 to 130, which is technically turbo time, like twin turbo and single turbo time out of a centrifugal supercharger, which is insane when you think about it. Like, but running bottom fours with a Century, that's crazy. So I'd be really curious to see if we can hit that in this car. Man, I want to do like a 1, 2, 3 right down this road, but I ain't gonna do it. You know, I gotta have that self-control. I ain't gonna do it. Not in this weather. I know it's just gonna go like I already know. It ain't worth it, man. It ain't worth it. And the 99, I let it rip, but yeah, that car is set up a little bit better. Woo! I'm so fucking glad I didn't. You know why? Because there's a cop right there. Oh my God. God. Man, that would have been so bad if I did a pull. I literally would have just like quite literally served myself up to that cop. Oh my God, I'm so glad I did not do a pull right there. But yeah, I'm gonna go pull up, get groceries, and I'll hit you guys up when I get back. All right, bag secured. I should say bag secured. Whew, starting to get warm out now. Maybe it is actually really 60 something degrees out. Definitely did not feel like that when I dipped out, but it's always nice going ahead and taking this car out, man. I just gotta get that 99 kind of, you know, where I want it, running exactly how I want it, or at least damn near close to it. And then we'll be showing some more love to the 350. Gonna do some small things to this thing though. I just haven't really done anything yet because I'm trying to do a bunch of stuff at the same time. But we will be going ahead and doing some, like how everybody likes to say it, big changes to this thing soon. Soon, soon, soon. Just give me a little more time. I just love the sharp bite of the 350. What are you doing? Ooh, wait, is that a GT500 up there? It's a Gen 3 car, not a GT500, but it's a Gen 3 car. I think it's that green color too. I think it's that, no, it's a red car. Actually, I might actually know the person in that car. That'd be hilarious. Hold on. Ooh, that thing sounds good. Oh, they ripping it. Oh, it sounds good. Damn it, I'm not gonna be able to catch up. Come on, get out my way. I want to see whose car that is if I know the person. I'm gonna get caught by the light, watch. Oh no, no, we not. There's hella cops around here though. One right there. It's definitely a Gen 3 car though. Yeah, that whole clean. It's clean. Yeah, it's clean for sure. Hell yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed a little chill POV drive. That was truly a chill POV drive because every time I take this car out, and now the 99, it's always, you know, somebody wants to play on the road. But this time, simply just took the car out and just cruised it, just the way I like it. So if you guys enjoyed the content today, make sure you drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. As always, man, thank you guys for the support. Again, big things coming for both cars. Just give me some time. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.